starting of your outer loop. Okay, the first loop which you will use, okay, that will be called outer loop. This is the first loop which you will write. Okay, guys, and then might be then you have to open the braces of the outer loop. Yes, and there might be some statement. If you want, if it is required in the program, you will write all the statements. Okay, now inside this outer loop we will start our start of the inner loop. Okay, so the loop which will be inside the second loop will be known as the inner loop. Okay, and inside this inner loop we will write all the statements which has to be executed. Okay, now when we close the braces, it means this is the closing of inner loop. So we can say that it is the end of inner loop. Okay, we are ending it. Okay, now after it might be we can write some statements also. It may happen where that some statements are required. Now after that I will close the outer loop. So what we will write here? End of the outer loop. Got it? Okay, all of you understood the basic construct of any nested loop? Did you all understood, or should I explain it again?
Got it.
Got it? All of you got it? Okay. So now let me explain you with a flow chart. If I'll explain with a flow chart, then it will be more and more clear to you all. Okay. So how we start a program? Let's take a flow chart. Okay. I'm just constructing the flow chart of a nested loop. Okay. For making it clear to you. So we will write start. Okay. I am starting. After the start, there will be first condition. Yes. Okay. So suppose this is condition 1. Okay. If condition 1 is true, okay, if the condition is true, then only it will go to the next condition. Okay, that is condition 2. Okay, if the condition is true, okay, if the condition is true, then what will happen? All the statements which is written in your program, those will be executed. So it will start processing your statements. Now suppose in condition 1, your condition is false. Then what will happen? Then there must be, I'm writing stop here. Okay. Then it will come out of the loop. Where it will come out? Out of the loop. Okay. Now suppose condition 1 is true. I went inside the condition 2. But now condition 2 is false. Then what will happen? Again, it will go to the again it will go to the here condition 1. Okay, let's just make it clear. Again it will go to the condition 1. Okay, again it will check. If it is true, again it will go to the condition 2. Okay, understood? Now one more thing, important thing. If condition 2 is true, it is not false. Okay, if condition 2 is true, it is not false, then the process will happen. Yes, after that again, this will go to here. Because until and unless condition 2 is fulfilled fully, it won't go out of the loop. Understood? So this is the flow of a nested loop. All understood clearly? Did you all understood clearly?
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
one of you? Clear? Clear to all of you? Should I explain you again, guys?
No, ma'am. Understood.
Just a
Understood.
second. Yes, guys. And Your voice is not clear.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Mom, I need your phone.
So sorry. Okay. Fine. Now let's see the type of nested loop. So there is types of nested loop also. Okay. There is types of nested.
Mommy, I'll play
Yes,
Roblox.
Okay. So there are types of nested loop. You understood that there are different types of loops. So might be there can be some nested loop also now. So I'll tell you the types of nested. Wait, let me change it to the brush. Nested loop. Okay. Okay. So now first one. So a nested loop, it can be designed in following ways. What are the ways? So let's see those ways. So number one is your, can you guess guys? Can you guess? Can you guess?
Nested if.
Nested if is a looping construct, is it? Is if a looping construct? Any one of you? Is if, he said if, yes? Sorry guys, I can't see. Just let me go back so I can see who said yes. Who said if? Who said if? Nested if. Yash, Yash. Good try, Yash. Very good try. Yes. So tell me guys, first of all, is if a looping construct? Yes, Ranjit, tell me. If is a looping construct or not? Okay, Akram Khan, explain again, ma'am. I just saw your message. What you want me to explain, Akram? Tell me what you have not understood. I'll explain again. Okay. Should I explain, guys, everything again? Do you want me to explain the construct and the flow chart? Raktim, got it. Okay. What about others, please? Guys, you have to tell me. Then only I will get to know now you have understood or not. Yes? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, yes, ma'am. Okay. So, I'll explain again. Okay. Let's go to construct. I think construct you all have understood how to construct it. Yes? I will go with the flow chart then. Yes? Okay. All of you? Vaishnavi, Ravi, Nirmala, everyone, Vineet. Okay. I want the answer, guys. If you will say yes, then I'll go for it. I want one yes at least. Come on, come on. Yes. Okay. So, good, good, good. Very good response. Oh, sir actually told me that this is a very good batch. You all give response actually very nicely. So, yes, I can see that. Okay. Okay. Repeat once again. Fine. I'll repeat again. I'll repeat again for your sake so you can understand everything. Yes. So let's go. First, I'll take the construct. Okay. Because I want you to understand everything. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we'll see the construct of a nested loop. Construct means how we write the lines one after another in the program using nested loop. Okay. So first of all, what I will do, I will start, you can say starting of outer loop. Okay. So this will be our first loop. Okay. This will be our first loop. Okay. And then I will open the braces. Okay. Braces means now you're going inside the loop. So all the statements which are written inside the loop that will be executed. Okay. So maybe there must be some statements. Okay. It may happen that outer loop, some statements do occur. Now inside the outer loop, after executing some statements, there will be another loop. Okay, there will be another loop which will be called as inner loop. Okay, it will be called inner loop. Okay, as soon as we write down the inner loop with the condition and all that, okay, then we will go inside. So I have started with the curly bracket. Now guys, see clearly and carefully, I have not closed the outer loop bracket. Yes, it means all the which I'm writing, the statements, the inner loop, everything is inside the outer loop. Everything is inside the outer loop. Yes, so the inner loop is also being added inside the outer loop. Okay, now inside the outer loop, there must be some statements. Okay, there must be some statements. Those statements will be executed. After the execution of inner loop statements, I will close the inner loop. Okay, so what is this? This is the end of inner loop. Okay, and then I will close if I don't have any other statement to write, or if I have any statement, more statement to write, then I will write the statement. Okay, I will just write all the statements and I will actually close the outer loop. So this is end of outer loop. End of outer loop. This construct all of you have understood. All of you have understood this construct. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who has
Yes,
not
ma'am.
understood? Anybody who
Understood,
has
ma'am.
not understood? All of you, I'll just take the name. Understood, Shilpa. Okay, Akram. You understood, Akram? You asked me to explain. Okay, Rajni. Okay. Good, good. Very good, guys. Can you give us a time to copy? Yes, of course, copy. If you want to, please copy. I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes is more than enough. You can note it down. Guys, I'll give you the notes also. But if you want to continue, okay, Likita. If you want to write it down, please do write. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, Dilip, you have joined now. Why you are so late? Yes, Dilip, I was also having some internet issue. I joined at 7:20 only, but I could not. So I'm so sorry, guys. I was late for the first day because of some internet issue. Okay, but I hope now. Please display syntax page, ma'am. Yes, of course. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note it down. As soon as you complete, please let me know. Then I'll go with the flow chart.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have joined just now. Ma'am, could you please repeat this, ma'am, after writing this?
Yes, please note it down. I'll repeat it again.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Guys, please be on time. Yes. I want you all to be 5 minutes before. Yes. If it is 7:30, you have to join by 7:25. Or lately, it can be 7:35, not after that. Yes, please try to. As soon as you complete, please let me know, one of you. Done, guys? All of you? Have you all completed?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I'll go with the explanation. Okay. Again, because there are some people who have joined. Okay. So bear with me. Okay. So guys, in in nested loop, what will happen? The loop will be one loop will be within another loop, or you can say when we use a loop within another loop, that is called nested loop. So first I will take loop 1, and inside this loop 1 I will take another loop, that is 2. We can take more loop also. It's not like only 2 loops only you can take. More loops you can take. But for your understanding, I'm just going with 2 loops. Yes, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so you can say that when we use a loop within another loop, it is said to be a nested loop. Now, this is the construct which I have created. This whole is the, you can say, syntax, or you can say the construct of a nested loop. Okay, so what I'm taking, first of all, I am starting the outer loop, which is my first loop. Now I have opened this bracket. You can see I have opened this bracket. Yes, inside the bracket, I have written the statements if required. If not required, I will not write any statement. If required, I will write the statements. Okay. Now, after writing the statements, okay, if required, what I will do, I will start the inner loop condition. Okay, you can see that I have not closed the outer loop. The outer loop is already open. Inside the outer loop, I have written the inner loop. Okay, I have not closed the outer loop. Now, inside the inner loop, after writing the condition of inner loop, I will open the inner loop. So the statements which are inside the inner loop, those statements or instruction will be executed. So these are the statements of inner loop. After executing these statements, I will close the inner loop. So that is why I've written end of the inner loop. Okay. Now, after that, if again you want to specify some statement, you want to execute some statement, you can execute. But after that, you have to close the outer loop. So this is the end of the outer loop. All of you understood this construct? All of you understood this construct?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's clear.
So there is a very important note, which you have to understand. Yes, I'll write it down also because it's important. So I want you to actually know. Okay. Actually know. So just a second, I'll take a new page. Okay. So the note is that it is actually very important to know that the inner loop which we are taking, inner loop. Yes, inner loop is closed first. Okay. Then the outer loop is closed. Okay. Okay. Similarly, the statements. Okay. Similarly, the statements of inner loop are executed. Sorry. Executed first. Okay, which is followed by the outer loop. Okay, which is followed by the outer loop. Did you all understood this? Did you all understood this? All of you? Did you all understood this? What I told you all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, everyone. So it means the inner loop will be closed first and its statements will be executed first. Then only the outer loop will be the statements of outer loop will be executed and it will be closed later. All of you understood? Anyone who wants me to explain again? All of you understood? Vaishnavi, Raghunath, yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Shuri, Neat. All understood? Every one of you? All of you?
Yeah.
Shraddha. Yes, Shraddha, yes. Raghunath. Okay, okay, okay. I want answer from everyone. Everyone. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. So now let's go for types of nested loop. Yes, types of nested loop. Yes, I had a question back when I was explaining you this. Yes, my question is somebody told me nested if. Yes, Shiraj, you want to ask a question or something? Please do ask. Oh, you don't have to? Okay. So, yes, who wrote nested if? Who wrote nested if? When I asked what the types of nested loop nested for. Wait, Yash. Who wrote? You wrote. Yes, Sharma. Okay. At least, Yash, you tried. I really appreciate it. Okay. You tried. That is more than enough. Okay. It's a very good response that you are trying. Yes, because you are actually taking out all the things, all you're recalling all the previous, learning. That is why you are giving the answer. By mistake, actually, I got confused between decision making, decision statement, and loops. Yes, yes, no problem. At least you tried. That is what I want. I want you all to try at least. Yes. When you will try only, then only you will succeed. Yes, all of you. So let's correct Yash. Later you gave the correct answer. Nested for and nested while. But there is one more. Anybody except Yash? Anybody?
Do
Shilpa,
what?
do. Yes, Vineet. Very good, both of you. Very good.
Nested do while loop.
Yes, Shrija, very good. So now see, now you all are recalling. Yes, this is what I want. Now you all are recalling, okay, what are the loops? So you are connecting with nested loop. Yes, so this is how you will understand the programs also. Okay, so let's go back for the explanation. First, let me finish your explanation. Then we'll do some pattern programs and the programs which is related to nested loop. Okay, so the types of nested loop, the types of nested loop. Okay, so first one is nested for loop. Okay, second one is nested while loop. Okay, and third one is nested do while loop. Okay, now guys, what is a nested for loop? Yes, let's go to see what is the nested for loop. Okay, should I change the page? It's okay. You all have understood this? Okay, so let's see what is a nested. Here I'll just draw one program for the explanation. Then we can do it in the. Are you all working in Edit Plus or Eclipse?
Edit plus.
You all have not downloaded Eclipse?
No.
Okay, so guys, please do download Eclipse. Okay, you will get the link from Google. If you want to search how to download on YouTube, you will get hundreds of videos. Okay, if you want me to tell you which videos to see, then I'll let you know. Okay, so let's go with the nested for loop. So when a for loop, okay, you can say when a for loop is It's easy, na? Used within another for loop. Yes, another for loop. It is called, tell me, it is called a nested for loop. Correct. Is it easy to understand? When a for loop is used within another for loop, it is called nested for loop. Isn't it easy to understand? Yes. Now, how it is done? Let's see one example. Okay. So I'll just write a sample program. Okay. I'll just write the sample program here. I'll explain it. Then we'll do it in the Edit Plus. Okay. Because you're using Edit Plus. So suppose I'm taking the class. Let's take pattern. Okay. Pattern. Okay. Okay. Now I will tell you that I want to first, I'll show you the output. Which one? Let's do, let's print 1 to 5. Yes, in a pattern. Okay. So I will write the output here. Okay. I will write the output here. You know how the loops work, how the for loop work. So suppose mine is 1, 1, 2 without any space. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple one. Okay, let's take one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is no space. I'm not putting any space. Okay, you can put a space. I'll tell you how to put a space also. So suppose I'm taking I have to display this 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for what I need. Okay, so I'll explain you here. Can you see that it look like a table? Can you see it look like a table? Yes, let's do it here. Let's do it clearly. Okay, let me explain you nicely. Okay, so I have to print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just assume that there is no space. Okay, but I have to explain, sorry, I have to explain. That is why I am writing it far. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you can see here, you can assume here, it is just like a table. Can you see? I have put it in a table. Now you know that table has rows and columns. So I will put it in the rows first. Yes. So how many rows we will create? Tell me, guys. How many rows we have created now? How many rows? This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. What happened? You all have not had your breakfast? You had all, na?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why not? Okay. From tomorrow, just have your something in the morning. So it should give you some energy. Okay. And you can give the response. Okay. Now this is your column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, and column number 4. Okay. So this is your column number 1, column number 2. Who's there? Please mute. Column number 4 and column number 5. Okay. Can you see? So how many rows we made, guys? How many rows we made? Tell me.
5, ma'am.
5. And how many columns we made?
5.
5. So both are equivalent to each other. Now can you see? This is the first row and this is the first column. And there is a data. It means first row and first column, there is one data. Okay. And first row, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. First row, second, third, fourth, fifth column don't have data. Only first row, first column is having a data. Okay. Now let's move to the second row. Second row, first column, second row, second column is having data. It means second row, first column is having data. Second row, second column is having a data. Yes? Yes? Now in third row, here I'll write third row, first column is having data. Third row, second column is also having data. Third row, third column is also having data. Okay, so what is this? Third row, first column is having data. Third row, second column is having the data. Third row, third column is having the data. Now, can you see in fourth also, fourth row, till fourth column, it is having data, but fifth column, no data. Now, in fifth also, all the 5 columns are having data. So, what did you all understood with this? What did you all understood with this? In first row, the first column is having data. In second row, first column and second column is having data. In third row, first, second and third column is having data. In fourth row, first, second, third and fourth column is having data. In fifth row, first, second, third, fourth and fifth is having data. So what did you understood with this, guys? What did you understand? Tell me. Tell me.
Data are present diagonally.
Yes, Vineet?
Data is present diagonally.
Diagonally. Increase by 1. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else did you understood? Okay. Can I tell that the number of rows, okay, equal to the number of columns equal to data? Can I say that? No? Yes? What did you understand, Rajni? What did you understand with that? What did you understand? Tell me. Here, I want to say that the row number, okay, row number is 1 and it is having data in only 1 column. The row number is 2 and it is having data in 2 columns. So did you understood that the total number, the number of rows, yes, suppose it is number of row is 2, it is having 2 data. It means 2 columns are filled. The number of row is 4. Row number is 4 and it is having 4 data. It means 4 columns are used. Yes, in row number 4, 4 columns is used. In row number 3, 3 columns is used. Are you able to understand, all of you? All of you, are you all able to understand?
Yeah, it is getting
Yes.
increased according to the column.
Yes, correct. Who gave this answer? Shuri. Very good, Shuri. Yes. Please explain it again. Shuri, explain it again. Tell it again.
Okay, so the number of column is getting increased accordingly. The number of data is getting increased.
Row. According to the row. Yes?
Yeah.
Good. Very good. Yes. Rajni, you want to say something? Come on, you can say. Yes? You can speak out. You all understood? All of you understood? Every one of you understood? Yes, yes. Good. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now here, what I will do, I have to print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So what I will do, I will take one row data and one column data. So row data, suppose if I take as A, and column data if I take as B. Okay. So how it will work? let's write it here only. Okay, do you want me to show it on the Edit Plus, or here you want the explanation as an outer loop or inner loop?
Is it
Edit
possible
Plus.
to just give us, explain with the tracing that, yeah, this is what happening once we
Yes.
will go with the program?
Yes. Then we can go to Edit Plus. Okay. So I'll do it in the Paint first, and then we'll do it in the Edit Plus together. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So let me assume that I have taken a class pattern. Okay. For your reference, I'll write down the output here. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Fine. Now in the class pattern, of course, we have to take the public static void main. I'm writing the short form. Okay. You don't have to write like this. You have to write the full statement. Public static void main. Okay. Now for row, I am taking A, and for column, I am taking B. Okay. Fine. Now what I'm taking, I have to start with the outer loop. That is for row. Okay. So for row, from where row is starting, guys? Row is starting from 1. Okay. And it is going till, row is going till
Up to 5.
5. So it will be, will it be equal to 5? Will it be only equal to 5?
Less than or
Less
equal
than or
to
equal
5.
to 5.
Yes, it will be less
Less
than,
than equals to
because
5.
yes, because starting from 1 to 5. Yes, so we have to count the previous part also before the 5. Okay, we cannot read only 5. We have to read 4, 3, 2, 1 also. Okay, and every time the row is increasing, see, first time it is only capturing one data. Next time it is increasing now. Next time again it is increasing. Again it is increasing. Again it is increasing. Yes. So you will write A plus plus. Okay. Now you have to go in the inner loop. So this will be for your row, which is called as the outer loop. Now how it will go? So the cursor will be here. Okay. The cursor will go here on the first column. Okay. Now you have to increase the column. Now this is your row. Your cursor went into the row. Okay. Now you have to go inside the column. So how you will go inside the column? How you will go inside? So you will take another loop. Your cursor is on the row pointer. You have to go inside the column. So you will take another for loop, that is for, I have taken B for column. So B will also start from which position? Where is 1 written? On which position?
1.
1. Very good. So I will write 1. And it will go. Will the column also increase?
Yes.
5.
Yes.
Yes. How many times it is increasing? For the first time, it is
5 times.
5 times. For others, I'll explain. First time it is 1 time. Second time it is increased till 1 and 2 times. And third time it is increased for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Fourth time it is increased 1, 2, 3, 4. And next time it is increased 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So how many times it is increased?
5
All
times.
of
5
you?
times.
Yes. So B will be smaller than or equal to 5. Okay. And where then I will write
plus
B
B
plus
plus.
plus. Got it? Yes. So
Yes.
what is this? This is the column.
Column.
Okay. That is the inner loop.
Inner loop.
Inner loop. Now I will explain also that. Yes. Okay. Then what will happen? Then what you have to print? What will you print? Tell me. What will you print? I am writing the short form. What I will print? Should I write print or println? See, for the
Print.
first
It has to go 1 by 1.
Print ln.
println. So if I write 1, okay, if I means my cursor, my first row, okay, my cursor is here. So if I write println, the cursor will go to the next row, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? What I will write? I have to print here. I have to print here. I don't have to print here. For the first time, I have to print here.
Yeah, so we will go with
Then we have to go with print.
Print. Okay. So what we will print now?
A.
A.
A. We will print A. Okay. Let's take A. Because you are telling. So I will print A. Okay. Okay. Okay.
One we have to print.
Okay. You tell me that how you will trace it. Okay. Now what we will do? Should I close this?
So we have to go beside
Yes.
that as well, I believe.
Be louder.
Since it is on the next column, so we have to also, it is only covering the one part.
Yes. So what we have to do?
Now we have to do
We'll
the
require one more print
What's the-
statement.
next
Give
line.
print statement. Okay. So S dot O dot print. You said print.
ln.
So print.
Print
This
ln.
time
ln.
ln.
Print ln.
Yeah.
Okay. And what I will print?
This is the most difficult question.
Okay. Tell me, guys, what I will print.
Space, ma'am.
Space. Okay, I'll print space. This is how print you print space. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will happen? Is it okay? Is it more than enough? So the same program I'm going to type. Okay. Same program. I don't know it is correct or not, but I have to show you is it correct or not. Yes. So let me open the Edit Plus first, then I'll share the screen. Oh, it's really interesting. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, when we'll do all the patterns, then it will be more interesting. Okay. And then I will tell you to guess how many times the loop runs and how it produces the output. First, we need to know how the program is actually executing. Okay, just a second. Let me open Edit Plus. Yes. Okay. So I'll share the screen. Let me share the screen. Okay. Can you all see the Edit Plus?
No, it is blank. Same some connectivity. So
Now?
yeah.
Okay. So let's take a new Java file. Okay. So what I have to write? Tell me. What we wrote? Patterns. Yes? Yes? Pattern. Okay. Now public static main is already written. Now what I have to write? I have to take two, come on guys, two
For loop.
containers. Yes.
Okay.
Two containers. What was the container? The container was
Variable.
A and
A.
A and B.
and
Of integer type B.
what A will do? What this A will do? What this A will do? It will hold the value of rows. What this B will do? Come on, tell me. What this
For
B will
column.
do?
The value of column.
Yes, very good, guys. I want the response. Now what I have to do, tell me. We have to use for loop. Yes. Now we'll go little slow for you all to understand. Okay, in the for loop, first of all, yes, in the for loop, first of all, what I will call row or column?
Row.
Which is the row?
A.
A.
Now,
Row means
yes,
we
A.
call
So, yes, A.
A.
Now, A. A will start from,
One.
Start with one.
One.
yes, 1. Okay. So, you
One.
know, this is in for loop, this is called initialization. We are initializing our variable, our container from where it will start. Yes? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now, next part is condition. So, what condition I will give? You
Less
gave
than or
me the
equal to
condition.
5.
A less than
Yes,
Less than or equal to 5.
Why 5?
5.
Why it is 5? Because we want the output for 5 rows. That is why it is 5. Yes? We want the output in 5 rows.
Yes.
That is why we have taken 5. This is why I'm going slow for you to understand, because nested loop is little difficult to understand. Yes? Okay. Now what I need to know? What is the third part in the for loop? Tell me.
Increment.
No,
Increment, ma'am.
no. I want the proper answer.
First increment.
What else?
Yes,
We
yes.
can do increment, we can do decrement, we can do addition, we can do
Update statement.
Update.
updation. Very good, guys. Now we'll do the updation. So what updation we will do? We'll write A plus plus. Why we are
Plus,
writing A plus plus? Tell me.
Because
It
we
will
increment the row
Mhm.
one by one.
Okay, we are increasing the row because row is starting from 1 and row is going till 5. So it is coming in ascending order. It is increasing one by one. That is why A plus plus. You have to be very clear when you will explain or you will read it. Okay. So I want you to understand each word, each tokens, each line, each set of instruction of a program. Is it clear till here, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So shall I start the outer loop?
Yes, please.
Yes. So how we will put the bracket? It means now we are inside the outer loop. Yes. Now what we have to do? Do we have to print
Again.
anything or do we have to write anything? Again, we will take what?
You have to
For
write for
loop.
the inner
For
loop.
loop, ma'am.
For
Again,
Take
loop.
a for loop. Now in this for loop, what I will do?
we call column
We'll call the column. So for column,
Column.
which variable we have taken?
B, madam.
B.
B. Now B will start from which column?
First
From one.
1.
One.
Correct. Okay, very good. Now you'll have understood. Now tell me what will be the condition till how much B is going from 1 till
5.
1
Five.
till
B.
5. Very good. So what I will write? B is smaller than equal to
5.
5.
5. Okay. 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 5. So you tell me. Right now I explained you. Right now I explained you. Okay. Okay. Let it go like this. I'll explain you again. Okay. Now what I will do? Sorry. Now what I will do?
Updation.
Yes. Updation of
Column.
Person of column.
column.
B,
So
B plus.
column is B. So I'll do B plus plus. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now what I will do? I have started the inner loop. So I will go inside the inner loop by using the bracket. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So now what I will do? Tell me. Tell
We
me,
have
guys.
to print the column first. I mean, the inner loop.
How we
You
will
have to
print?
write
We will
for-
take
write the
system dot out dot print or we will take system dot out dot print.
Print, ma'am. We print, ma'am.
Only print.
Now what I
Send
will
it out that
print?
side.
What I will print?
First, we
A you told, na? You all told A.
A.
You. Everyone is saying A.
Now everyone is saying, but it seems to be wrong.
No. Why you are thinking like that? First, you just assume everything and do it.
Yeah.
Then, if it is wrong, we will make it right. Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
first we will
First time,
print
when you
inner,
put for
ma'am.
the first time,
Choose
suppose you are
print.
making tea for the first time. Did you put all the ingredients appropriately? How many of you have made tea for the first time? You all have made tea? All of you have?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We already made.
How was the taste for the very first time?
Very bad,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Yes. Others. Were you able to drink it?
No, ma'am.
Did you put a lot of sugar or did you put lots of tea leaf? Yes. Okay. So let's do it also. If it is wrong, we'll make it right one by one. Yes. But we have to
Okay.
know the concept. Yes. Okay. Now after this, what will happen? What we will print? Sorry, what we will print? We will print A. According to my all students, it is A. Yes. Okay. Now what I will do, guys? I've already printed.
Close the inner loop, ma'am.
Close the inner loop. This is
Inner.
very important to understand that you're closing. the loops.
Yeah.
Now what somebody told me that now we need, because we have to go to the next row, we need a print statement. Yes. So what is the
With
print
ln.
statement? What will be the
Print
print
ln.
statement?
So,
ln.
ln.
You tell me, it will be print or it will be ln?
ln.
ln.
Why it will be ln?
Have to jump to the next
Go to
row.
next line.
We have to go to the next line, that is the next row. Okay, and then what we have to print, guys?
Let's try with B.
B. You want to print B? Okay. We'll print.
No. No.
Okay.
No,
No?
no ma'am.
How many of you want
No,
to
ma'am.
print B? You don't want to print
Not
B.
correct. Yes.
Let's print B. Let's see answer. I have also not seen. Let's see what is the answer.
Okay.
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 Now what I have to do? Did I close the
Close it.
outer loop?
Yes. Ma'am. Close.
Okay, I'll close the outer loop. Now it is done. Yes. Now I'll save the program. Okay. Let's save the program. Okay. So what is the program name? It is pattern. Yes. So I'll save it. Okay. Okay. I'll open the command line from here only. Okay. So you can go here, select it, just write CMD. Yes, you will get your command line. Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we have to write for the compilation, we have to use
Java,
Java.
Java C file name.
Java C is the compiler of Java. Yes. And then what is the program name?
Pattern.
Pattern.
Yes.
Dot.
And then yes. And
Dot
then we
Java.
have to give the extension, which is .java. So it will be a Java file. We are using the compiler to compile it. Yes. Wait, it will come. Okay. Oh, it's not pattern. Pattern.
Pattern.
Yeah, pattern.
Pattern. Okay. Okay, it is pattern. Okay. Let's make it pattern. Okay. Okay. Now what I have to do?
Yeah. Run this.
Java pattern.
Now Java with the file name in between a space. This is we are executing our file. Okay. Now see what we got. Did we get the answer which we needed?
No.
We got another pattern. Yes. See, the pattern is I wanted only first row, first column. I wanted only second row, first and second column. It's not coming.
We need to go with decrement operator as well now.
We need decrement operator. Where? Tell me where. Where you want? Where do you want decrement operator? In A or in B?
In B.
In B.
No.
Should I go for decrement?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. Somebody wanted to see. So we will do. Okay. Somebody, please. Oh, cooker vessel. Still cooking food. Okay. Now let's again compile. And let's again see the output. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is infinite loop. This was infinite loop, guys. Understood? So what we will do? We will use ++ only. Okay. Let's do one thing. We'll not print B. Okay, we will not print B. Okay, let's see this, that if it works or not. Okay, we are not going to print B because I'm not interested in printing the B. I'm just interested in printing A. Okay, so I will do like this.
It will work.
It will work.
Since it will only jump and print.
We will get our desired output.
Yes, it will jump and will print the A, which
we
is
should
what we want.
inner loop.
Go again. I can't hear you.
So it will print
Give
the A.
A in inner loop and println statement in outer loop.
Okay, let's see then. See what I'm getting. Guys, think. I have to print first row, only first column. So your row has to be, your column has to be. I got the answer in the first only. Somebody told me row and column number should be equal to each other.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I will do, think. Your row is
Can we
going
use count,
starting
ma'am?
from
Count.
yes. Count. Do we need count? Okay, should I reveal the answer?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
A is equal to B.
A is
System dot
equal
out dot
to
print A is equal to
A is equal to
B.
A equal to B.
A greater than equal to B.
A is greater than equal to
Greater
B.
than
Yes.
equal to B.
System dot out dot
In
println.
nested loop, ma'am. In nested loop. You can
In
write
nested
if,
loop, A is
you can
equal to
write
1.
if nested loop. Ma'am. Second.
Where I should make the change?
We can write if, ma'am.
Okay, guys, I'll tell you. Now, A will start from 1, but A will go till 5. Yes, this logic you have understood. But B will also start from 1 and it will go till 5 for the first time. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? It will print now. It will print till 5. So that is why for the first time, see, for the first time I have taken the A as 1. For the first time I have taken A as 1. Okay. So it will say it is 1 smaller than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. 1 is smaller than equal to 5. Yes. Now it will go inside the inner loop. So B is 1 and B will be going till 5. So how many times the A will be printed?
Ma'am,
A is 1. A will be printed 5 times.
ma'am, it will go up to A. Means B less than equals to A.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay, I'll just trace it for
in
you.
that loop,
Hmm?
in that loop, we have to system dot out dot print. I have to print the B
Mm-hmm.
in
Okay.
inner loop. In loop. Then after that, we close the inner loop, and then we will write the system dot out dot print ln in the outer loop, and close the third bracket. That will be print.
Okay.
Then we will get the answer.
Okay. See, good. At least you have tried. Very nice. Okay, see, A is 1. Okay, A is smaller than equal to 5. Okay, it means yes, 1 is smaller than equal to 5. It means your condition is true. Yes. So what will happen? It will go in the inner loop. As soon as the condition, I told you, I showed you with the flow chart. Do you remember the flow chart, guys? Do you remember the flow chart? I showed you if the condition 1 is true, it will go to the condition 2.
Yes.
Inner loop. Yes? Okay, good. So what happens? B is equal to 1. Okay. B is equal to 1 and B will be smaller than equal to 5. So this condition is 1 equal to 5. Yes? So what we are doing? We are printing the A. So what we are printing? We are printing the A. So 1 will be printed. Yes. After that, there is a condition B++. So B will increase to what? 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now it will say B is smaller than equal to 5. So yes, it is true because 2 is smaller than equal to 5. So true. So what will happen? Again, this condition is true. So again, it will print A. So it will print A again. Again, Your B will increase to 3. So it will ask 3 is smaller than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. So again, it will go, this condition is true. So it will print the statement. So again, A is printed. A is still 1 now. So it is printing 5 times. When it is coming, when the value of B is coming, B plus plus is becoming 6, then it is asking 6 smaller than equal to 5, then it is coming false. So it is coming out of the inner loop and it is going here. Okay, there is a statement now, A plus plus. So it is increasing the value of A is equal to 2. Yes, this is what happening. So again, in the next line, 2, 2, 2, 2 is printed 5 times. Understood? This is why. Now you tell me what changes is needed here. You tell me.
Ma'am, the column goes up to the according to the A. It means our row. It's if our row is it's 2. It means our column goes up to 2. So that's why we have to write the B get less than equals to A. It's going according to the A. It's if we are increasing the B plus plus, it means we are increasing the one column according to the A. According to the row, if row is 3, then a column goes up to 3. It's meant 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So guys, I told you rows and columns are equal to each other. So can I put A? Can I put A here?
Yes.
Yes. So it means rows will go till the, columns will go till the rows. Yes. If row is 2, the column will go till 2 columns. If rows, if row is 3, the column will go till 3 columns. Clear? Now, but A is 1. So A will be only printed 3 times. So what is A first time? It is 1. So it will be printed 1 time. So I'll show you the answer. Yes. And then when A will increase to 2, so only A will be only printed 2 times. Yes. So let's do it again. See what it is printing. Is it printing 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4?
No.
Yes. So what you have to print? You have to print B. Okay.
Go outside.
Okay. You have to print B. Understood? Did you understand? All of you. I'm showing you all the different possibilities for you to understand. Did you get the answer? Did you get the answer, all of you? Anyone who has not understood? Anyone who has not understood? Anyone who has not understood? Clear, ma'am. Very good, Nirmala. Others, everyone understood this. See, I am going slow for the first time because I want you to be very clear. You have to know, okay, how this row will work. You have to know how this column will work. Yes? Okay? Everyone, all of you understood. I want answer from everyone. Okay, Varun. Okay. Okay, Shrija. Okay, Shivraj. Okay. Good, guys. Very good. Very good. Okay. Fine. Fine. Now let's see. You wanted that how many times and to actually produce the output. That I will also show you. If I will show you that, then it will be very clear to you. Here I have actually shown the tracing little bit. I'll do the tracing more for you to understand very clearly. Okay, so it will go totally into your head. Okay, so our concern is that that how many suppose you want to know how many, because you have to know that how many times the loop runs. Okay, sorry, loop runs to actually produce the result or the output, you can say. Yes. Okay, so now first of all, what happens? A is equal to 1. This is our outer loop. Now inside the outer loop, when A is 1, the number of times, okay, the inner loop runs will be 1. Yes, yes or no? So it means the updated value of B is 1. Okay, so what does it mean? The updated value of B is equal to 1. So 1 time 1 will be printed. Yes. Now next time when A is equal to 2, then what happens? What is the number of times this inner loop is running? Tell me. It is
Twice.
2 times. So what does it mean? It means that the updated value of your B is equal to 2. So that is why 1 and 2 is printed. Okay, because it is B is starting from 1. B is starting from 1 and it is going till A. B is smaller than equal to A. So B is starting from 1, but the value of A is 2. So it is also printing 1 and it is also printing 2. Why? Because we are printing B, not printing A. If we printed A, then only 2 will be printed because the value of A is 2. Is it clear to all of you? Yes? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So when A is 3, the inner loop runs how many times? Of course, it runs 3 times. And the updated value of B is equal to, tell me, 3. Why? Because your A is 3, but B will start from 1 till B is equal to A. It means it will start from 1 till 3. So for first time, it will print 1 and then B will increase, sorry, B plus plus. So B will increase to 2. Okay, this is the printing, 1 printing. Now 2 is smaller than equal to 3. Yes, true. So what will happen? It will also print after 1, 2, and then B will increase. So B plus plus, what will be the value? 3. So it will ask 3 is smaller than equal to 3. Yes, true. So it already 1 and 2 is printed. So 3 will be printed beside it. Now again B will increase to 4. So again it will ask 4 is smaller than equal to 3. So it is false. So it will go to the outer loop. Did you all understood this concept?
Now it is clear. Yes.
Now it is clear. Okay. When we do the tracing, then it's really clear. Yes. So anyone who want me to explain anything now? Oh, all of you have understood. Really, this class is really good.
So we are.
Yes, Shri?
Yeah. So once we are printing A, that's why it was going 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 3.
Because you are printing only A and the value of A is 1 only. Second time the value of A is 2 only. Third time the value of A is 3. Understood?
Yes. Okay.
So when you have to print the previous one, this one, when you have to print this one, what you will do? What is the code?
We will increase the A
code?
in.
You understood the code for all 3? 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 3.
A
Yes?
less than or equal to B.
Yes. See, who said that? Who said that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Rajni. Very good. But I'm really impressed with this class because everyone is putting all their effort to understand. Very nice, guys. Okay. So today we'll do the for loop. Okay. I wanted to explain you more. I wanted to explain you nested while loop, but you will get confused. Yes? Do you want me to explain while loop also, nested while loop?
No, no.
Or should we do some programs of for loop only? Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I want you to print this. I want, you have Edit Plus. So open your Edit Plus and print this, what I am giving you. Okay, I want you to print this. Five. Let's make it 5 only. You have already done this in form of numbers. What is this?
Strike.
What is this? Yes, this is asterisk. Yes, we are printing asterisk. Okay. Okay. Now assume. Yes. Now assume. Just assume that it is a table. Yes. Okay. So how many number of columns? Okay. First I've taken columns. How many number of rows are there? Tell me, guys. How many number of rows are there? Tell me.
5.
1.
5.
Yes. Right. Good. Very good. 5. And how many number of columns are there? Yes, all of you. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it means your row is 5 and your column is 5. And every time we are printing 5, 5. Did you get the logic? Did you understand? Every time we are printing. I want you to do this right now, all of you. All of you. And randomly I'll ask. Yes? I will ask you to tell me the code. All of you. Please continue. All of you. Do it quickly. Yes?
Done.
You're done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let others do. Okay. 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. Is it running? You're getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes. Pavan. Done? All of you done? Let's do the coding, guys. It's easy one, isn't it? Wait. Don't write it here. Don't write it here. Okay, Raktim. Okay, so let's do the coding. You will tell me the coding, yes? Okay, come on, guys. Come on the platform. Quick. I want the answer. Yes. Should I ask one by one? Or altogether you're going to give me answer? Yes. Rajeshwari, Shraddha, Vaishnavi, Nirmala, Shilpa, Lalu, Vineet, okay, Sri Lalita, Rajni, all of you, please. All of you. Kiran, Vasudevan, Likita, Shivraj, Varun, Shrija. I want guys answer. Come on. Let's do this program. Start. Yes. I'll do the changes here only. Okay, let's start from the first line. Int A and B. Is it okay? Do I need to change anything? No. Okay, guys, one more thing. You can write in here also instead of writing above. Okay. Okay, let's do this way also. So you can do all the experiment in programming language. Try to do the experiment, please. Okay. So int A will start from all of you 1. And what will be the condition of A?
It will go till 5.
Is it correct?
It's until 5.
Yes. Why it is still 5? Why, guys?
Rows are 5 and columns are 5, so we take rows as 5.
And A is initializing to the rows. It is referring to the rows. Yes? Okay. So we will increase the A or we will decrease the A?
Increase the A.
Why we are increasing the A?
A starts from 1.
So it will go
1
to
and
5.
it is going till 5. So it is in the ascending order. It is in the increasing order. Correct. Now let's go to the inner loop. Yes, tell me. What will the value of B?
B starts from 1.
Starts from 1.
Okay, tell me guys. What B refers to?
B refers to
Column.
Yes, very good. Excellent. B refers to column. Okay. What will be the condition?
B less than equal to 5.
Why? Why?
the whole column to be filled by the
Okay, yes, because in every row we are printing all the and then is it correct system or println? Okay guys, tell me if I don't write ln and I'm not putting any data, what will happen?
It will print in a row.
It will print in your one.
It will print 1. Okay. And
One.
who said it will give error? Lalu. Okay. Ravi. Okay.
Yes.
Why it will give an error? And what type of error?
When we use print statement, we have to pass argument.
You If we don't pass the argument, what will happen?
It will show error.
It will show what error? Let's see what it
Yeah.
will do. Okay. Guys, let's see what it will do. We must do the experiment. Yes? Okay, let's see. So, this is your program. Oh my God. What is the error? What is this error? See this error. No suitable method found for print. Okay. So method print stream dot print boolean is not applicable. Actual and formal argument lists differ in length. You know what is actual and what is formal. Already this method is there. This print method is already provided, system provided, predefined, already defined in the Java system. Yes? Yes, you can see. See, this is what. And it belongs to which class, guys? It belongs to print stream class. Yes, and it is a print method. And in the print method, we have to send some Boolean value. Yes? Yes or no? Or we have to print some character value. Or we have to print some int value. Or we have to print long float double. So we are not putting anything. Yes? Understood? So it means with system.out.print method, if you won't give any type of data or argument, it will be a compile time error. All of you understood? All of you understood? Okay. Now, did sir do static keyword? Did he complete it static? No. He did static. Do you know anything about static, all of you? Okay, we'll do static then later.
Yes.
No,
please.
it's not done, na? It's not done, na? Okay. So now this class name with a method name. Okay. So you always remember, just remember, if this kind of question is asked, what will happen if I not give any argument or data in print method? Okay. Then what will happen? What will happen, guys? Compile time error. Because this formal argument is not matching the actual argument which is already in the system predefined. The system, what is the predefined method? Print stream, that is the class name, print method with Boolean value, or it can be integer value, it can be char value, long, float, double, char array, string, object. Understood? So it will give you a this is a very important question. Very important question. This is very important interview question. Please note it down. In between, I am going to give you some interviews questions also. Okay. So now let's go and check what will happen. So that is why we have to write here ln to give a space. Okay. Now let's compile and execute this program. Okay. Okay. So let's see here. Did we get any error? No. No error. Yes. Now did we get the output? All of you? Did you get the output?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, all of you, all of you. Voice is not audible. Yes. Voice is not audible. Yes, Sharma. Okay. Everyone got the answer now?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. All of you. Okay. So now my assignment, I will give you one assignment. Yes, now it is, ma'am. Okay, you rejoin the class. Okay, no problem. Okay, just check your internet connection, all of you. Okay, now little bit of tricky question I'll give you. I just want to see that you can think beyond your imagination or not. Okay, it will be really fun if you do it. Try to do it, otherwise I will anyhow solve it tomorrow. But you have to try it. Okay, if whole day is there. If you want me to explain this program day after tomorrow also, you want 2 days time, of course you can take. Okay, so I am giving you a question, and the question is, please note it down, everyone. Tomorrow I'll give you the notes after explaining the other 2 nested. Yes. Okay, so now, okay, so the question is, I'll explain you also. Okay, so suppose this is a table, guys. Okay, and this is your first row. This is row number 1. Okay, this is row number 2. This is row number 3. This is row number 4, and this is row number 5. This is column number 1. This is column number 2. This is column number 3. This is column number 4, and this is 5. Okay. Now, guys, there are row is 5, column is 5. Yes. Okay. Now, tell me, in the first row, okay, in the first row, how many columns are printed? Tell me, all of you.
5.
First row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are printed. All 5 columns are printed. Second row, only first column and fifth column printed. Okay, for second, third, and fourth. Okay, and for fifth row, again, all the columns are printed. Okay, so you can take one row, you can take one column, and you can also take n number. Okay, a number which will actually tell you how many, what will be the latest term or the terms, number of terms. Okay, till which your columns will go. Okay, so your column is actually going till 5. So this is the number of terms. Okay, so this much I have given you. You have to find out. I'll give you one tip. Okay, one tip is, like, you can see that in the first row, in the first row, all the columns are printed. It means your row number 1, that is A. Yes, your row number 1, A, when your A is equal to 1. What is happening when your A is equal to 1? Your row is 1. Yes, what is happening? This asterisk sign is being printed. Okay, and when your row is, your row you are understanding now. I'm telling this row. Yes, and this row also, fifth row is also, when your row is equal to 5, then also this asterisk sign is being printed. Okay, a small tip I am giving you. Now tell me, what is this? What is this? This is column. Okay, so for column you are taking B. Yes, so when your B is equal to 1, first, yes, first column, yes, then what is happening? Asterisk sign is printing. And when your B is 5th, see 5, then also asterisk sign is printing. So this is a small tip. You have to do this program. I have given you half of the program. Think and then do it. Okay. Tomorrow we will solve this if you're not able to, or otherwise those who will be doing this program, they will tell me how they have done and explain in the class. Okay. Okay, all of you. Fine with everyone? You understood the question? Okay. Okay. Notes I'll give you tomorrow. Okay. Notes I'll give you tomorrow. Okay. So you can leave and have your breakfast, guys. Okay. I hope you all have understood everything which I have taught to you. Thank you. Thank you, Rajni. As we have class on weekend, no, it's still it's from Monday to Saturday. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. I was really worried that I'll do the justice or not. Yes. Okay. Okay. Me also. Thank you, Sudeep. Thank you, Varun. Thank you, Navya. Thank you, Vikram. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, Akram. Thank you, Shrija. Thank you, everyone.